All right, so you guys always know I am looking for the hottest RC places to go and visit. The coolest places. Where are some of the best places you could go, run your RC cars, just kind of hang out, have a great time, fun, family-filled environment. And so let's look no further than Friendly Hobbies. As you guys know, I visited this location around March or so of last year. And finally, Brian and the staff at Friendly Hobbies have unveiled the world's largest indoor RC crawler course that just opened up on Monday. I do plan to take a trip out here in the next few days, or out there in the next few days. But this place really caught my attention. Now, I'm not a rock crawling guy. I love my other RCs, my drones, and my cars and everything else. But this really caught my attention, and it really inspired my wife. It even caught her attention. Not only is this the world's largest indoor RC car track, as far as that I know, but it has sound effects, and it also has the rainbow clouds in there. So you get a full immersive environment that puts you into the wilderness to race your RC cars or run your rock crawling environment. This place is located at 3616 North Rancho Drive in Las Vegas. If you guys want to give them a call, they are open between the hours of 12 to 9. Phone number is 702-851-2780. But I have to give it to the team over at Friendly Hobbies. Brian is always doing something very exceptionally well. I mean, he just doesn't do something. He goes way above and beyond it. In my opinion, you know, I've told him, like, he is the hobby elitist. And if you guys have seen my walk around video of the store, he has a private arcade inside the hobby shop, which I have never seen anywhere else. And it's not just an arcade. I mean, he has a cotton candy machine in there. He has popcorn, video games. But this RC track really caught my attention. Again, it has sound effects. You have the thunderstorms and the rain sounds. You get that full immersive experience. It has a water, I think it has a couple of ponds inside for that track. And it's astronomical. I mean, it really caught my attention. He told me about the guy who helped design his vision. Brian does a lot of 3D modeling, 3D creation, and 3D creations with his printers, 3D printers that he has in there. He showed me a few of his designs. But if you guys are looking for a rock crawling track, if you're visiting Las Vegas, then look no further than Friendly Hobbies. I mean, this is a really cool place. And for somebody like myself who's never had a rock crawler, you know, I'll probably rent one out or whatever just to go out there and have a nice time. But this is really cool. I mean, you know, you look around the environment, you see the detail, the attention to detail that went into something like this. I don't know how much money he spent in something like this, but they are putting in some air conditioning units, so this will be a great place to hang out, you know, during the summer, even if you're just visiting Las Vegas and you are in. So we definitely wanted to spotlight this location here on the channel. I know that it hasn't gotten too much of attention. I know a lot of people haven't really seen this, but Brian was kind enough to provide me with some additional clips as far as their grand opening. And, you know, I just love the design. I mean, that's something I'm designing for my own game room, is to have those LED light clouds. I mean, those are pretty cool for my arcade room and also movie room as well. But on the walls, they have the pictures of a jungle environment. It also looks like they have some lights there, like you would typically be out on some type of jungle safari. And then, of course, above the entire track, you also have another track up top where many rock crawling RCs you know, can scale and kind of do your thing as far as navigating through the wilderness. Now, I've never personally been into rock crawling, but one of the things that I definitely love about it is that it is low scale in maintenance, in the terms of you're not running at 60 miles an hour and then have to chase down your car to flip it over. I mean, it's right there. You get your personal enjoyment without having to go all over the place. You can fully enjoy everything rock crawling does have to offer. So again, you guys have never really seen me with rock crawling on my channel. I am a fan of it, but that is something that if I would possibly be interested in. You know, again, low scale, you don't have to run around chasing down your car. You can stay in a very remote spot, get the full enjoyment out of your RC, going up and down bridges, over against rock terrains, the different water they have there. It looks like they got some Scooby-Doo in there as well, looking from some of these photographs and videos. But they've had a nice turnout here over the next several days. I can't wait to see what the weekend is going to look like. I know a lot of people are really going to pick up on something like this just to have some type of indoor enjoyment. But again, Brian did tell me that they're going to improve their air conditioning system so that way it's cooler during the summer months. As you guys know, right now we're in the middle of winter and Las Vegas gets really hot coming the summer months. But this is going to be a very exciting, good, comfortable environment that you guys can look forward to in the next coming future. So make sure you guys check them out, show them some love. This is one of my top tier destination places for RC cars and also just kind of hanging out in general. I love me some hobby shops. I don't spend enough time in all of them. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll be back with some more information. Just definitely wanted to bring this to all of the RC hobbyists that follow the channel, that they got some more cool locations or things like this going on in the world of RC. So I will catch you guys later. Make sure you guys all have a great day. Peace out and bye-bye.
Nice. That's what happened. Yeah, progress, so we got to bevel out the edges of those. That looks so cool with you guys following each other.
All right, yeah, that's a big picture. Hold on.
That is a good picture.
Yeah.